Alright, we're back in there. We're going to continue changing the SAK-405 SAK on the PureFlow. We just got to the point where we removed the rubber caps on the tubes. And we're now going to bring it down and connect the rest of the tubes. We're going to connect the blue line, blue to blue. And when I say blue to blue, you're talking about your clamps. The clamps are blue. See, these are blue. And blue, blue. You want to connect those. Blue on blue. And after connecting them, make sure they're all open. That's just your PureFlow panel alarm letting you know that you have to connect the lines. Okay, also to inspect your sanitized line, make sure that it's tight. Okay, it's properly tight. Okay, the orange line for your connectivity. Okay, the orange, and I'm saying again the clamps. Okay, they're closed. One of them is closed because it was closed during the unloading process. So you remove the cap from the new one and tighten those up and open that clamp. You want to double check all your clamps once you finish anyway, so that it's always good to check unclamp them. Okay, you have all of those unclamped. Now we can just go ahead and hit the green, letting the PureFlow know that all of the lines is connected and the test can begin. It should be taking about 3 minutes if everything is done properly for it to start making a batch. So I'm going to give you time to see that was done right so that we can start making a batch successful. I'm going to close this up. Your drain line is open as well, so you will just take this still have this waste bin, close this up here. We're not timing this. Okay, look like it's going through a Charlie Sierra Charlie test. So you normally when it get to that point, we know that it's going to successfully pass. But we're going to give you another minute, and it should say making batch. And I appreciate your patience with watching it, and hopefully someone got some information that was useful from this. should tell you whether or not it's going to start. You should see it. It should come up momentarily. I'll bring it in a little closer where you can get a good look at it. It's just going through the last and final test. And then after that, it'll probably be approximately, right now it's saying 4:53. That's the time it's reading for, about how much more time after it starts making the batch before the batch will be completed for a 40-liter batch on the Sierra Alpha Kilo 405 SAK. Okay, it just started, so it looks like it's going to be 4:53 before this batch is completed. Thank you for your patience, and have a God bless rest of your day.